Hey guys, Leslie here with another haul video. So I told you guys I'm filming, in my last video I told you I was filming a bunch of haul videos at once. I'm working on during my snow days, kind of like pre-filming a bunch of stuff so that, you know, it just takes it off my plate for later. So a new shop to me, but not new. I think they've been around as long as I have actually. But Nightingale Paper Co., they did a giveaway and I won. So I'm going to show you guys her packaging. So it was in a cello bag. And it has her little, oh my gosh, what's his name? He has a name, Winston. And it says, thank you for your order. You're the best. I'm hoping I can get this off and use it. All right, here's the freebie that came with my order. I think she was doing an anniversary sale. So it's got those winter vibes, little reindeer slippers, snowflake cookies. She's in her PJs, breakfast in bed, or cookies and tea in bed. I don't know. And then the kits I ordered, so I ordered 2 kits. But I ordered certain pages of each kit. So I ordered this one. There's no invoice. I don't remember what they're called. I think it's like Office something. I ordered from her website, not Etsy, because that's where she wanted me to order from with my code. So there you go. All right, so it says Scranton welcomes you. And then the staplers and the Jell-O, so you get like where this is going. Yeah, maybe a little bit. I love that it has the DVD bouncing thing. That's always funny. Throwing a garden party. That's one of the like newer ones. And then that's their like date, not a date on top of the roof. And then I'm not going to read that out loud. But that's a Dundee. And then it says it's your birthday, and then you have like the Office. It looks like the painting that she did. And then here I went ahead and got, okay, so I think it was like I just picked and choose the sheets I wanted instead of ordering a full kit because I felt like I could manage with ordering a little bit less. So this one has checklists up here, the weekend banner, habit trackers, Monday through Sunday stickers, quarter boxes, some functional dots. This one has all the half boxes and quarter boxes I would possibly need. And then this one I had to get because look at the bottom washi. It has beets and pretzels. And then it does have the date covers. And I love that it has a paper airplane. I just like it. And then there's another full box right here. And it says hourly work log. Remember when she had to like take notes on what he got done? Thought that was funny. So there you go. Remember the shop is Nightingale Paper Co. I'll link them in the description box below. I have one more kit to show you from this shop. So that's more of a office type one. All right, the next one. Oh, I really like this one. Okay, so it's Pride and Prejudice. It's Pride and Prejudice. So we have in our first box a quote that says, Mr. Bennett said it, a girl likes to be crossed a little in love now and then. And then you have like the big house mansion with like the waterfront. And then you have her. And then you have a Mr. Darcy quote, you must allow me to tell you how ardently I admire and love you. I love that scene. And then they're holding hands. And then there's like a key with a letter because they write a lot of letters. And then there's Mr. Darcy. I know, so cute. And then it has quarter boxes underneath it. I love the color palette. Her kits are hand-drawn, is what she advertises, that she is hand-drawing all of her own kits and stuff. So I think that's really cool that she did this. And then there's the color palette here. You have blues and purples and like a rose pink. But this one has the checklist, your Monday through Sunday. Some quarter boxes, some functional stickers, bill dues, habit trackers, weekend stickers. So I feel like this is a really good sheet for basic planning. And then the bottom washi on this one was different because there's 2 different strips. This is not one strip. That's one strip, and then that's another strip. So I guess you stack them any way you want if you want to cover that bottom part depending on what planner you're using. Okay, and then it has the 2 of them together. And then there's a bottle with the flower, and then there's like tea, and then her boots, and then there's a note and a candle, and then like a little sprig of flowers. And then this one has some kind of reading sticker. And then a star checklist. I don't know what the other one did. This one has flags. And then this one's half boxes and quarter boxes are glittery and also solid. So that one's a little bit different. I like that her kits are not all the same. Was there? Yeah, she put a full box there. See, that's different. The other one has, this one has a reading sticker. Did I not get the date covers? Was the date covers? Did I miss it? No, I guess this one did not have date covers. This one doesn't have date covers. Because the bottom washi has deco on it. That's why. There you go. I was like, wait, what did I do? I don't have to have date covers. I ordered this sheet because I wanted the washi tape that goes with it. Because I don't have office washi tape. Okay, and then this one has the glitter. See, I felt like this one, I definitely have, like, washi tape that would work, especially my Planner Society washi tape. I feel like that definitely gives me some Pride and Prejudice vibes. So, with Lizzie on there. I just love it so much. So, I love this book. I love this movie. I love multiple versions of this movie. So, definitely had to get this kit because I love it. Office is something that my husband and I watched a lot when we were dating. We actually own, I think, 4 seasons on DVD, maybe 5, maybe 6. I don't know. We stopped buying them on DVD when they started putting them, I think, all on Netflix. And so we stopped buying them up. So we have, like, the old ones as on DVD. So, like, I don't think I have, like, this episode. Does that make sense? Like, I have, obviously, this one. Like, those are different episodes. But I like how she did that in her kits. And then she does have sheets of her Winston. So this little, I think he's a white bear. She does have sheets of Winston in her shop. She shipped very quickly. I can tell you that, too. And then there's her sticker seal on the packaging, which I thought was cute. Her little logo, like a nightingale bird. Sounds adorable. You get the hard card mailer, so that'll protect your stickers as well. So I'm excited to use a new shop. I'm so excited. I ordered, I had a haul from Beyond Paper Flowers, and then I have this one, and then I have a haul from Planner Sister Stickers. So those should be going up soon. The Grabby one just went up, so I'm trying to do more of a variety in my haul videos. As far as other products, I don't think I really have any right now at the moment to, like, review with you guys. Oh, I do have some sticker books I need to flip through that my son and my husband got me for Christmas. So I will probably film that as well and spread those out. So more content. Yay. Grad school's over. Yay. Snow days. Yay. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little haul video. You can see some of my mess over here. This is a real planner desk, guys. This is a real planner desk. And I didn't completely clean it off to film this video. So I'm going to grab those sticker books real quick. I think I have 2 that I haven't filmed yet. I think I filmed 1. One is a Recollections, one is a Happy Planner, so I'm excited to do that. So definitely check out her shop. She has other movies and TV shows. She has other, like, normal functional kits. She has some with Winston in it. She was doing, I think, tiered freebies for her sale. But being that I was new to her shop, I was like, I'll order a little bit. But the cut and print quality seems really good. So I really like it. But yeah, and I like that you can piecemeal the kits. You don't have to order a full kit. You can order whatever pieces you want. So if you just want the like full boxes, you can order just the full boxes. If you want just the full boxes and washi, because honestly, then you would save a little bit of money and things like that. Because I think it was around, I think my total was close to $25 for 2 kits. So just be aware of that. So, but when you're getting a hand-drawn unique kit like this, that's, you know, you're paying for that, the uniqueness. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh, also thanks for doing the giveaway and picking me to win.